In previous videos, we've looked at this, the iClean Mini. It's a fantastic chemical-free cleaner. Well, today, I want to introduce you to its bigger brother. Hi, I'm Andrew from Hygieia, your one-stop shop for all your cleaning needs. Today, we'll be looking at the Tersano Lotus Pro system. It's a chemical-free cleaner that uses SAO, or Stabilised Aqueous Ozone. SAO is a chemical-free and safe way of cleaning. Using ordinary tap water and oxygen from the air, it helps you to clean. Ozone is infused to the water as it goes through the product, helping us to clean germs, soils and bacteria. It quickly eliminates the contaminants that it comes into contact with. The Lotus Pro system works for hours to fill larger cleaning equipment. This makes it amazing for cleaning larger commercial spaces. The SAO produced by the Tersano Lotus Pro can be used on all surfaces, such as hardwood, vinyl, carpet, concrete, glass, chrome, and many more. Not only does it protect people and the environment, it also saves you costs, increasing your profits. If you have any questions about the Tersano Lotus Pro, drop us a comment below. I'm Andrew from Hygieia, your one-stop shop for all your cleaning needs.